How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 Play Store not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and here you can see the option Google Play Store. Now click on it and then click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache memory and data of Play Store. After clear the data and cache memory of Play Store, then go back to your home screen and check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.